Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and today I'm basically going to be taking you through the process of editing. So a small introduction on what is editing. Editing is basically the removal of unwanted parts from your clip or adding some additional parts that might have been left out during shooting. So editing involves a lot of process, and remember, we edit both audios and videos, and in here I'm going to be taking you through basically video editing. And when it comes to video editing, different apps are involved, but the common one that is usually used of recent times is Premiere Pro. So I'm going to be educating you on how to edit Premiere Pro. So brief and short, because don't want to make a lengthy video. The first process is to double click on the Premiere Pro app on your desktop, on computer. It won't take long depending on how fast your machine is. And then the next stage is you go to files and you create a new project if you're trying to start a new project. But if you're already did your work, you can go to recent, and if you saved your work, you can just identify your work. Now when you open your new file and you name your work, it's going to open the Premiere Pro, which is divided into 4 areas: the importation area, the editorial area, and the timeline, and then the preview. The importation is where when you import your clips, they lie there, and to import you can go to files and then import, and your file, your work or your clips will be on the importation area, which is on the left bottom side. And on top of that is the editorial. There you can have options like mark in and mark out. They basically cut your clips. If your clips is of 30 seconds and you only want 5 seconds, that's when you can get it. And then on the timeline is when you arrange the sequence, which the timeline is on the right bottom part of your Premiere Pro. So there is where you arrange the sequence, which clip you want to come first and which one you want to come last. And because you cannot be able to see the preview window on top of the timeline, is just to a visual aspect to tell you on what you are doing on your work. So that's everything when it comes to editing, and the 4 essential parts that are involved in Premiere Pro video editing. Now, to export your video, you go to files and then you export to media, and then you can choose the format and place and the destination you want your clips to go. And also you can also decide on whether you want a medium quality or the high quality, depending on your desires. So that is a short and brief process of editing. Hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Ian.